One. Hey everybody, Mr. Mark with you, and today we have mime number 1 and mime number 2 who are going to show you how to do the whirligig lab. So first you need to pick up the whirligig. The whirligig consists of a rubber stopper tied to a string. The other end is passed through a tube, and on the other end of the string is a paper clip. First thing you want to do is take that rubber stopper and put it on the balance and figure out what its mass is. Write that mass down. Once you have that mass, your next move is to take some other known mass, like that one right there, and put it on the end of the paper clip. Then this is where it gets tricky. Your job is to swing that rubber stopper in a horizontal circle with the mass hanger hanging down such that it is in equilibrium. This is kind of tricky to do at first, so don't be worried if it takes you a while to figure it out. So mime number 1's got it swinging, but it's not horizontal, so she's going to want to flatten that circle out. And then notice that she's just swinging it with just enough force to keep that weight in equilibrium. Mime number 2 is going to pick a spot on the wall or the ceiling, like that water stain, for example, and he's going to watch that rubber stopper pass by it, and he's going to count laps and time it to make 10 laps. Then he's going to hit the lap button on his stopwatch and do it again until he's done it 5 times for a total of 50 swings. Mime number 2, are you actually timing this right now?
No, not right now.
Go ahead. Mime number 1's getting tired. By the way, this is where exceptional strength is important. So notice that mime number 2 is just counting for 10. He's hitting the lap button on his timer, and then he's just going to repeat that until it's swung 50 times, and basically we have 5 trials of 10. Once that's done, then mime number 1 can stop swinging it. You can then go, let's not hit each other in the face. You can then go to your timer and see all the different lap times that you got using your lap feature on your timer, and then record those and average those. Our goal is to get a really nice average time period for that stopper swinging in a horizontal circle. If mime number 1 had accidentally dropped it on the 5th trial, it's okay. We could do with just 4. After that, we're going to change something about our setup. We could take some mass off or add some mass to that hanger, or we could change the radius of our string. Speaking of, I forgot one important thing. Mime number 1, will you kind of show us what you were doing earlier?
What?
Show us the circle that you were making. So when you stop this, it is kind of important that you keep the radius of the circle so that you can actually measure it. And so what you might do is grab the string, gradually let it come to rest, perfect, and then just hold the string so that you can measure the radius of the string that was outside of the little tube as it was swinging in a circle. So you do need to measure the radius. Then either change the radius or the weight that's hanging on there. We're going to do it twice, and then see if the weight of that hanger is equal to the centripetal force caused by the tension of the string on that little rubber stopper. So this is something we'll be doing live in lab. Please be sure to bring your safety helmet and eyeglasses, and I will see y'all then. Till then, ta-ta.